Hi, it's Scola and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to be taking you through my current nighttime routine, which I've absolutely been enjoying. It's been so calming and relaxing and really helps me unwind at the end of the day. Also, today's video is actually sponsored by Earth Echo. I'll be showing you how I have this cacao bliss most evenings, but we'll get into that in a little bit. So I always start off my nighttime routine with some skincare. I've really been trying to take care of my skin a little bit more and learn more about it, so this has become an important part of my day, and it's just really nice to have some me time too. I would typically do this in the shower, so I'm about to hop in the shower, but I just want to show you first. As soon as I get out the shower, I always have to moisturize. I'm currently using the Neola body butter and it is so luxurious. It is so luscious, guys. I love how it melts into my skin, and if you guys want to check it out, all the details will be down below. So let's get into making this hot chocolate of mine. So this is the cacao bliss that I use to make my hot chocolates in the evening. So cacao bliss is actually a supplement. It's like a superfood blend of just so much goodness. So these are the ingredients. We've got raw cacao, we've got turmeric, Himalayan salt, all kinds of goodness in this, and I just love how this just does the work for me. I don't have to worry about getting different things in because it's all in this convenient little cute bag. Like, let's just talk about how cute the packaging is. But honestly, I've just been loving having this. It's just been so indulgent, especially right now. I'm trying to be really good with my diet. So as you just saw, that was the hot chocolate recipe, and it starts off with almond milk. So I'm going to be pouring that into a mug so I can heat it up and make sure I have a super hot chocolate. Now I'm just taking a scoop that comes with the cacao bliss and popping that in my mug. You are about to witness me making the biggest mistake when it comes to this. I wanted to show you guys what it looks like making this, so I did it in a clear mug, but you're gonna see why that goes wrong. The mug that came with my little pack of cacao bliss goodies works a lot better because of the way it's shaped, and you will see what I mean later. My little pack also came with a frother, and just to let you guys know, if you use the code Scola, you can get a free frother with your order. Just try not to make a mess like I did. So I ended up switching to the other mug because it was just a lot easier, and that's what I've been doing most days. I was just trying to be fancy and show you me blending it and frothing it and all that good stuff, but this works a lot better. So I'm adding in the last ingredient, just a little bit of honey to add some sweetness, mixing that all up, and I am about to have the most indulgent nighttime drink, and it's gonna be so good. Pop in my metal straw. So there are so many other recipes you can make with cacao bliss. I've tried a few of them, especially the pancakes are amazing, but honestly the hot chocolate is just a daily staple of mine. It just makes me feel like I'm having a bit of a treat at the end of the day, and absolutely love it. I'll leave all the details to where you can get cacao bliss down below. So I'm just going back in with some skincare, making sure I'm moisturized, putting on some lash serum, make those lashes grow, and now we are doing some edge care using the Neola hair oil that I've been using most evenings, especially if I've worn a wig, making sure I go in with this and make sure I moisturize my edges. Again, I'll leave all the details to Neola down below so you guys can go and check them. Now it's time for the bougiest time of the day. I am about to do a lip sleeping mask. I love this. I tend to get quite dry lips, so I like making sure my lips are moisturized before I head to bed, and this is pretty much my routine, and because I made sure my hot chocolate was so hot, it's still hot even though I've been doing bits and bobs in my room before tucking in. A little bit of sleep mist spray to make it feel like I'm in an absolute haven. I was actually watching Blood and Water on Netflix. It's a really cool show. I think it's South African, so definitely go and check it out. I haven't finished watching it, so I'll let you guys know what I think of it. But this is pretty much me done for the evening. And I am off to sleep. Thank you to Earth Echo for sponsoring today's video. I'll leave all the details to Cacao Bliss and everything down below so you guys can go and check it out. But anyway guys, thank you so much for watching. Stay healthy, stay luscious, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye!